good, Nimalan. Well done. Yeah, very good. Next, Srinija. Srinija, life cycle of a frog.
Egg,
Hmm.
tadpole,
Hmm. Hmm.
froglet,
Hmm.
adult frog.
Well done, Srinija. Very good. Kadambari, can you say?
Egg, egg,
Eggs.
tadpole,
Yeah.
froglet,
Hmm.
frog.
Adult frog. Okay, very good, ma. Thank you so much, Kadambari. Well done. Okay, next it's going to be Nakshatra.
சொல்லுங்க.
Egg,
Hmm. Hmm.
egg,
Hmm.
froglet.
Tadpole. Egg. Tadpole. It's good morning, Pranavi and Pravina.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல சொல்லுமா, இதுல சொல்லு.
Egg,
Hmm.
tadpole,
அவ்வளவு சொல்லுங்க.
Good morning, Ma Shravanya. Froglet. Adult frog. Okay, Nakshatra. Thank you, Nakshatra. Next is Adya Sharma. Life cycle of a frog.
egg,
Hmm.
tadpole,
Hmm.
froglet, or frog.
Very good. High five. High five, Adya. हाई फाई करो. मुझे 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 मम्मी को नहीं. मैम को दे दो. हाई फाइव. Oi, I am teaching you and you are giving high five to your mummy. Oh my God, Adya. Okay, very good, Adya. Next is Ilango. Ilango.
சொல்லுப்பா. சொல்லாருங்க.
Egg,
சத்தமா.
adult frog,
அடுத்து
tadpole,
அடுத்து egg, tadpole.
Froglet.
நீ பாருங்க. egg, tadpole. அடுத்து
egg, tadpole,
அடுத்து
adult frog,
Froglet.
froglet,
Froglet. Adult frog.
ஓகே.
Tanni venuma. Okay, go drink water and come go. I'll ask you afterwards, okay? Okay, next it's going to be Tilakar.
Okay,
Hmm.
egg,
Hmm.
froglet,
Egg க்கு அப்புறம் froglet ஆ?
adult frog.
Very good, Tilakar. Riyasri.
Egg.
Hmm. Egg க்கு அப்புறம்
Tadpole.
good. அப்புறம்
இங்க பாரு என்னது
froglet.
இது என்ன
Next.
சொல்லு வேணாம் இங்க பாரு
Adult frog. Correct தாண்டா கண்ணா. Come on, say loudly. தப்பா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. Have to speak loudly. Very good, Riyasri. Very good. Thank you so much, Riyasri. Next is Mokshita. Mokshita. Hmm.
Tadpole,
Hmm.
froglet,
Hmm.
froglet,
Very good. Adult froglet வராது. Adult frog. Okay?
adult frog.
High five, Mokshita. Good girl, Mokshita, you are. Samathe. Very good. Next. Yeah, welcome, Kana. Next is Stravanya. Stravanya.
Egg, tadpole,
Hmm.
froglet,
Hmm.
frog.
Very good. Super. Okay, next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, life cycle of a frog. Adulta. Correct சொல்லுங்க. First is egg. Froglet. Adult frog. Very good, Madhuvanti. Adarsh. Adarsh.
Very good.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Ma'am சொன்னனே very good girl அப்படின்னு. எப்பவுமே மதுவந்தி good girl தான். Adult, sorry. Adarsh.
சொல்லு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது என்னது
Adarsh.
எஸ் மேம் சொல்லு எஸ் மேம்
Come on.
புக் பாரு இது என்னமா நெக்ஸ்ட் இது இது பாரு இது சரிங்க பாரு இது என்னது இதுதான்
Froglet.
இது
Last.
சத்தமா சொல்லு
Very good. Hey, super Adarsh. யார் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க?
அம்மா
அம்மா. அப்ப மேம் சொல்லி கொடுக்கவே இல்லையா? Okay, fine. Next is Pranavi and Pravina. Good boy, Adarsh. Pranavi and Pravina.
Froglet
அச்சச்சோ. No. எக்கு அப்புறம் tadpole.
Froglet adult frog.
Very good. Next one. Next. Pravina.
Tadpole
அச்சச்சோ. எக்ல இருந்து சொல்லுங்க. எதுமா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரும்? எக் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜ் இல்லையா? From the egg you say.
told egg only, ma'am.
Egg only she told her, but I couldn't hear. Okay, no problem. Very good. Sara, can you tell me the life cycle of a frog? Sarah. She's bringing something. Wait.
She wants to have glue, ma'am.
Want to show it to me, huh? Is it?
Okay.
One day I'll come to your house and I'll play with all those toys, okay? Come on, now tell me the life cycle of a frog. First is egg.
Sarah, tell the story to ma'am.
Mama frog is
21 days.
21 days. And some tadpole.
Okay.
Tadpole
Becomes frog or froglet?
froglet.
Okay.
And they have and then other frogs come.
Hey, very good. Who told you the story? Very nice story. Who told you the story? Mummy, did you give high five to your mummy? Mummy told such a good story. Did you give high five? Very good. And then to ma'am?
Ma'am.
Ma'am? Good. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you so much, children. Did I miss out anyone? Yeah, welcome, Kana. Did I miss out anyone? Everyone, I asked you, right? Okay, now all of... Yes, Nitish. Nitish, come on. Sorry, Nitish.
சொல்லுங்க. Tadpole.
Super.
Tadpole.
Froglet.
Cracker.
Froglet.
Adult frog.
Hey, super, Nitish. High five கொடுங்க மேம்க்கு. Slow. Thank you so much. I want all of you to stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Kidsy anthem will say today. Come on. Who is going to say Kidsy anthem? Shravanya today, okay? Yes, Shravanya.
Kizzy anthem. You are with me. You are infinite. Are unique. My potential inside.
You are the wings.
You are a wing. Within my flight, you define me. My potential inside. Today I blessed with all my might. I shall let you my possession inside.
Very good. Thank you so much, Ravanya. And good morning to everyone. Very good morning. A loud good morning from everyone. I must not see any crying faces, only happy faces. Yes, all happy faces. Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, all of you are ready for the warm up activity? Shall we start? Yes, stand up, all of you.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Stop. Go. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, warm up time. Stop.
Very good, all of you. Come on, all of you, go drink one glass of water and come back for the attendance. Adya Sharma.
बोलो बोलो
Hiraye Madison.
Very good, Adya. Ilango.
சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட
Ilango.
சொல்லு ஹிரேன்னு சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட He's the son.
Okay, fine. Next is Nakshatra.
நட்சத்திரம் அங்க பாரு.
Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Okay, very good. Very good, Kevin. Good morning, Kevin.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Riyasri.
Yes, Hiraye.
Very good, Riyasri. Sarah.
Hiraye Madison.
Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Pravina.
Here I am, Pravina.
Very good, ma Pravina. Next, Srinija.
Here I am, Melina, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari.
Yeah, I am.
Very good. Shravanya. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. That's it. Yes. First rhyme is over. Okay. Where has my little dog gone? Where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Where can he be? Next rhyme is under a web. Okay. Under a web beside the gate. The spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay, next is the Incy Wincy spider. Okay, Incy Wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine, dried up all the rain, and the Incy Wincy spider went up the spout again. Okay, so these 3 rhymes, any 2 you can sing, children. We have 3 rhymes totally. Any 2 rhymes you can sing. Okay, next we'll have a short recap of what concept we have learned yesterday. What concept we learned yesterday? What was the concept we learned yesterday? Anyone? Yesterday, what did we learn? What concept we learned? Yes? Reptiles. Very good. Reptiles. You all remember it, children? Very good. Reptiles. So, before seeing reptiles, we have a small recap of the life cycle of a frog. Okay?
Madam.
So, this is frog. Frog is an... What is a frog? Frog is a farm animal, wild animal, marine animal, or amphibian. What is a frog? Very good, Shravanya. Frog is an... Very good, Srinija. Frog is an amphibian. Amphibian. Why it is called amphibian? Because it lives both in the water and on the land. That's why we call it as amphibian. Okay. First step, the frog, first it lays the eggs. And then after 21 days, the eggs turn into a tadpole. Eggs la irundhu tadpole vandrum. Okay. And then it turns into a small froglet. At this stage, it has a tail. Okay, and then after some days, it turns into a adult frog. Till stage 3, the frog lives in water. It will not come out, children. It lives in what it will live only in water. After it has become an adult frog, okay, it comes out of the water and starts to eat all the insects. Okay, so these are the 4 life cycle stages of the frog. Okay, and next we are going to see the reptiles. Yesterday we learnt about reptiles. Why do we call them as reptiles? Because they have very short legs. Chinna legs irko. They cannot walk like ordinary animals like cow, goat, lion, tiger and all. They just crawl on the ground. There are some reptiles which don't have legs itself. Okay, so reptiles, they crawl on the ground. They will not walk, they crawl. Crawlனா என்ன தவழ்ந்து போறது. குழந்தைங்கலாம் எப்படி தவழ்ந்து போவாங்க before they walk? Have you seen small children? குட்டி குழந்தை எல்லாம் முட்டி போட்டு தவழ்ந்து போவாங்களா? So that is known as crawling. Okay, so reptiles crawl on the floor. So first reptile is crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yeah, second reptile is tortoise. Tortoise.
Tortoise.
Third reptile is lizard.
Third.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Fourth reptile is snake. Why this is called reptile? It does not have legs, but it crawls on the ground. That's why it is called a reptile. Okay, it cannot walk. Next is the chameleon.
Chameleon.
Next is the chameleon. Chameleon, what is the special feature of a chameleon? It can change its color according to the environment. Wherever it goes, எங்க போனாலும் அந்த என்விரான்மெண்ட்டுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி அதோட கலரை தன்னைத்தானே மாத்திக்கும். Okay, suppose it is on the road. What is the color of the road?
Black.
Road color another black. So it will change the body color into black color. If it is on the leaf order color another. What is the color of leaf?
Green.
Green. Then it will change the color into green. Okay, so that is the special feature of a chameleon. Chameleon changes its color according to its environment. So these are the reptiles: chameleon, snake, lizard, tortoise, crocodile. All these are reptiles. Now I want all of you to take your slate and chalk piece, children. Take your slate and chalk piece.
The bag. Okay, ma'am.
Ready? So right from culmination 3, we are learning alphabet after R, right? So from R, we'll have a small recap. Now I want you to write a small letter R. Small letter R. How will you write small letter R? Sarah, small letter R எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Let me see. Write and show me. I forgot how to write R. மேமுக்கு மறந்து போச்சு. எப்படி எழுதணும் R? Come on, let me see. Very good. Thank you so much, Riyasri. Good. A standing line, go up, and a curve. Okay, Riyasri, but it looks like V. அந்த மாதிரி எழுதக்கூடாது, இந்த மாதிரி தான் எழுதணும். Standing line first, அப்புறம் மேல வந்து ஒரு curve. Okay? But that is correct. What you tried is right. R. Very good, Manimalan. Very good, Nakshatra. Very good. Who's this? Srinija. Good. Very good, Tilakar. Okay, next. Next. Madhuvanti, mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Just show me your slate, children. That is enough. Next is yes. S, small letter yes. Small letter S. Small letter S.
Ma'am, look. Red white line.
Very good. Good ma. Nakshatra very good. Nakshatra good. Sara good.
Very good, Papa.
Madhuvanti, what you have written Madhuvanti? S ஒழுங்கா எழுதுங்க. Let me see. Very good ma. Srinija, Nimalan, Riyasri. Very good. Adarsh, where is your yes Adarsh? Adarsh mom, do you remember how did I teach you to make him write?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way you guide him. Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Very good, all of you. Next letter is T. T is from the red line, a standing line and a curve, and then a sleeping line. T. Yes, a standing line with the curve, and then again a sleeping line. T. Very good, Nimalan. Why your curve has gone and touched the white line? A small curve, that's it. It should not go and touch the white line. Very good, Mokshita. Very good, ma, Nitish. Super, Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Very good, Tilakar. Adya Sharma. Where is your T? Very good, Nakshatra. Perfect. Very good, Sara. Madhuvanti. Srinija. Very good, ma. Next is U. Small letter U. Small letter U. A curve. Don't take out your hand. Kai edukama. Come down with a standing line. U. U. Nimalan, mute yourself. Yes, very good, Madhuvanti.
Srija's done, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Srinija, Nakshatra, Sara, Mokshita. Very good, Mokshita. And then Shravanya, good. Yes, Nimalan, good. And next alphabet is V. Yes, ma? Nitish, very good, Nitish. Next is V. See here. V. Yes. Very good, Matilakar. V. Two slanting line with a sharp edge, children. That is V. V. Very good, Adya. Super. Very good, Nakshatra. Good. Mokshita, Sara. Yes, good, Maria Sri. Very good. Shravanya, did you write V? Yes, very good, Ilango. V, very good, Ma Shravanya. And today we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is W. How will you write W? See here, slanting line. All it depends upon the slanting line. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slanting line is included to make alphabet W. Yes, come on, all of you try to write W. Capital W you will write with the you will start with the red line and end with the white line. But small W you just write like this, inside the white line. Inside the white line. It can be written with a curve also. Because while writing in cursive letters and all, you will write with curve. But since it is printed letters, you write like this. Okay? If you want to write with a curve also, you can write. Well and good, no problem. Both ways you can write. Either you can write with sharp edges or with curves also you can write. W, very good children. Yes, now all of you those who have finished, take your My Word Trip book, W page. Those who have finished, take your My Word Trip book, W page. It's W. Ready? W page. Yes, Kadambari, can you read out the pictures? Ready, all of you? Shall we start? Shravanya, read out the pictures, Shravanya. Whatever you know, you read out. Kadambari is not available, you can read. W. Come on, Shravanya.
W.
What is
Hmm.
this? Look at the
Wall.
What is it?
Wallet.
Wallet. Who will use a wallet in your home? Who will use wallet in your home?
Who is using wallet?
இது மாதிரி wallet யார் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க உங்க வீட்ல?
Daddy.
Daddy. For what? Okay, daddy. What he will keep inside that wallet?
Daddy.
Okay. Daddy will use wallet. What daddy will keep inside the wallet?
Finance man.
What daddy will keep inside the wallet? Huh?
Money.
Kasa, money. Very good. Money, cash, very good. He uses wallet to save, to keep money inside that. Okay, okay. Next picture.
Walnut.
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 Third picture. Walrus. Walrus. Next, fourth picture.
Watermelon.
Very good. Next, the fifth picture. Wave. Wave na ala. When you go to beach, you can see the big waves coming and touching your leg. Beach ku poningna ala varuma. That is waves. Okay, you will go and stand in the waves, right? That is waves, children. Okay, waves. And then next one is web. Spider web. Spider, home of a spider is web. Spider web. Okay, web. And then windmill. It is used to collect electricity. Okay, windmill. Sorry. And next is whale. Whale is a marine animal. Whale. Okay, and the phonic sound and action for W is I want all of you to do the action and sound. Do the action as well as the sound. I see the kites flying. I see the clouds moving. I see the trees bending. The wind is blowing strong. Okay, the phonic sound for W is Okay, now take your worksheet, children. Take your worksheet, and your worksheet number is D69LT. D69LT. Yes, mute yourself, Pranavi and Pravina. W. Wind. Yes, from number 1, reach number 2, then reach number 3, and go to number 4. With your pointer finger, first trace it and then write it. Next page will be your homework, children. W page. First, write the date, children. Today's date is 6-10-2121. And the day is Wednesday. Yes, write fast, children. We have a story session also. Sabarish, is Pranavi ready with the talk time today?
What, ma'am?
Talk time. Pranavi's talk time is today. Is she ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good, Manitish. Very good, Riyasri. Very good, Ma. Those who are finished can take maths worksheet, children. Maths worksheet number is D66MT. D66MT. Those who are finished, take worksheet number D66 and write it.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Let's take D66MT and write, children. 45 and 46. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. How will you count group of tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 4, 5, 45. And the next number is 4, 6, 46. The same way 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 4, 6, 46. Spell and write, children. 4, 5, 45. And then while writing 46, 4, 6, 46. Still few children write 5 like alphabet S. Please children, don't write like alphabet S. இத மாதிரி எழுதாதீங்க. Is not correct. Wrong. 5 you have to write a sleeping line, standing line and a curve. This is number 5. Don't write like alphabet S. Okay? Yes, Madhuvanti, can you please mute yourself, Madhuvanti? When you are called, you can unmute yourself. If not, please mute yourself. Count it and then you write, children. Strike out and count and then you write the number. spell and write, children. I can see many of you without spelling it, you are writing. Spell and write. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. Already முடிச்சாச்சா? Show me your worksheet. Hey, very good, Adarsh. Where is your number worksheet? Come on, do your number worksheet. Shravanya finished? Very good, Shravanya. Who is crying? Very good, Nitish. Yes, I'm going to count one by one. First, Shravanya. Second, Nitish. Next. Third, Mokshita. Who is going to be the fourth one?
Ma'am, please ask Nimalan to write, ma'am.
Why, Nimalan? What happened, Nimalan? Since I'm saying you're a good boy, good boy, good boy. Nowadays you can become very naughty. Hereafter I will not talk with you in the session if you are not writing your worksheet. Come on, write your worksheet. Finish it fast. Only 3 finished. Kevin, write. Very good. Fourth is Kadambari. Good. Good, Kevin. Finish, Kevin. Super. Sarah, super. Finish. Fifth, Sarah. Sixth, Kevin. Good. Yes, others can continue doing your homework. Let others also finish. Let your friends finish. Very good, Riyasri. Those are finished the numbers. Continue doing your homework. W worksheet. Let your friends, everyone finish. Then finish the talk time and the story also. Okay. Shavanya, don't waste time. Write your W worksheet.
ma'am.
Very good, Ilango.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, Adya Sharma. Children, next week, 13th, we'll be celebrating Vijayadashmi. That is the Saraswati Puja, Ayudha Puja celebration will be there. So, interested children, you can take part in dance, storytelling, slogas, etc. Can take part in any of these three. Okay. Children, those who are going to perform on that day, please let me know what you are going to do along with the type of activity that is going to be done. Either it is a song or a dance or a story, whatever it is. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
13th is going to be Vijayadashmi celebration. So, if you are interested, you can take part in dance, singing songs, slokas, or storytelling, whatever it is. And you have to tell me which you are going to take part.
Ma'am, Pranavi Praveen is going to sing, ma'am.
Pranavi Pravina, okay. Kadambari also singing, okay.
13th November,
Type your, 13th November. So, type your name along with the performance, what you are going to do. If suppose if Adya is going to perform, name Adya and what performance. If it is a dance, type it as dance. Or song or sloka. Even if it is a story also, well and good. And Nimalan, I want Nimalan's mom, I want Nimalan to talk about Vijayadashmi speech on that day.
What, ma'am?
Vijayadashmi speech on that day, November 13th. Sorry, October 13th.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Coming Wednesday, children, okay? Next week, Wednesday. Finish, children. All of you have finished your worksheet. Okay, now close your book. Pranavi, come on. Finish your talk time.
Yes, ma'am.
Close your book, everyone. Keep it aside.
Yes, ma'am. Pranavi is ready, ma'am.
Yeah, come on.
Tell about marine animals.
Shark, starfish, blue whale, octopus, upstart, stingray, squid, turtle, tinsala, marine animals.
Hmm. That's it, huh?
Yes, ma'am. She remembers
Okay.
that all.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Pranavi. Very good. Okay, children. Today we are going to see a small story. Before that, I want you to ask a question. Yes. The question is, you all will play with the toys, right? எல்லாரும் toys வச்சு விளையாடுவீங்களா? All of you will play with toys. Yes, you will scatter on the floor and then you will play with your toys. And after playing, what will you do? After playing, விளையாடினதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? What will you do? You will leave it as it is and go?
Move it.
Huh?
She watches mobile, ma'am, that she's telling with so much.
Very good. Okay, Sarah. Okay, Nimalan says he will keep it in the cupboard. Okay, some of you, what you will do, you will leave it as it is. அப்படியே விட்டுட்டு போயிடுவீங்க. Yeah, today we are going to see what is going to happen if you are leaving the toys as it is on the floor. அப்படியே toys போட்டுட்டு வெளியில எங்கனா போயிட்டீங்கன்னா what is going to happen we are going to see. Okay, ready? Look at the screen, everyone. And the name of the story is Bruno, Put Your Toys Away. Name of the story is Bruno, Put Your Toys Away. You can see a bear here and the name of this bear is Bruno. The bear oda per enadhu? Bruno. Okay, and the name of the story is Bruno, Put Your Toys Away. First, see, you can see here, Bruno is playing with lot of toys. Yes, Bruno is having lot of toys. Can you see? நிறைய toys இருக்கு பாருங்க Bruno கிட்ட. Bruno is having lot of toys and he is sitting and playing with the toys. What are all the toys you can see? Aeroplane, giraffe, and then a car, wooden block, a ball. All these are the toys he is playing with. Okay. And then while he was playing, his mother came and told him, Bruno, put away your toys. Grandma and grandpa are going to come soon. You can see here this pink color dress. This is Bruno's mummy. Okay. So what Bruno's mummy is saying to Bruno, Bruno, toys எல்லாம் எடுத்து வைங்க, தாத்தா பாட்டி வர போறாங்க. ஓகே, தாத்தா பாட்டி வர்றதுனால ப்ரூனோவை டாய்ஸ் எடுத்து வைக்க சொன்னாங்க மம்மி. ஸோ வாட் ப்ரூனோ இஸ் சேயிங், ஓகே மம்மி, ஆல் ரைட் மம்மி, நான் இப்போ எடுத்து வச்சிடுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றான் ப்ரூனோ. பட் டிட் he do that? No, Bruno did not do that. At that time, his friend came there and he is calling to watch cartoon. வா ப்ரூனோ, நம்ம போய் கார்ட்டூன் பார்க்கலாம். Like that he is calling Bruno. Okay. So what Bruno did? He forgot what his mummy said. Mummy என்ன சொன்னாங்களோ அதை Bruno மறந்தாச்சு. Okay. As soon as he saw his friend, he went to watch the cartoon and started to watch the cartoon. See here, he is running. He left the toys as it is on the floor. Toys எதுவுமே எடுத்து வைக்கல. He ran away. Okay. And then he started to watch the cartoon. And then what happened? It's time for their grandma and grandpa. They all came home. See here, grandma and grandpa, they came home and they brought honey for Bruno. Since Bruno is a bear, bears are all fond of honey. Bearukலாம் honey தான பிடிக்கும். So grandpa brought honey for Bruno. See how happily they are hugging their grandparents. And what happened, you know, this Bruno, he caught his grandpa and said, Grandpa, come on, let's play. Grandpa இழுத்துட்டு வாங்க விளையாடலாம் அப்படின்னு Bruno is taking his grandpa to play. What happened? As soon as he dragged grandpa to play, grandpa stepped on the car over there. இங்க ஒரு கார் இருக்கா, அந்த கார் மேல கால் வச்சு what happened? Bruno's grandfather fell down. Chocho, pavam, no? Bruno's grandfather is a very old man. Yes, he stepped on that car and he fell down. Why it happened like this? All because of mummy or Bruno? யாரால இந்த மாதிரி ஆச்சு? ப்ரூனோவா மம்மியா? யாரால இந்த மாதிரி ஆச்சு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Who knows?
Bruno.
Yeah, Bruno. Very good, Mokshita. Bruno தான் டாய்ஸ் எடுத்து வைக்கவே இல்லை. கரெக்டா? Bruno did not arrange his toys. He left it as it is and he went. Okay, that's why grandpa stepped on the toys and he fell down and he got hurt. Toys மேல கால் வச்சு தாத்தா கீழே விழுந்துட்டாரு, அடிபட்டுருச்சு. Okay, and then Bruno felt very sorry and mama started yelling at Bruno. Bruno, சொன்னா இல்லையா டாய்ஸ் எடுத்து வைக்க சொல்லி, இங்க பாரு தாத்தா விழுந்துட்டாரு பாரு. Like that, Bruno's mama is scolding Bruno. Yes, he should have listened to mummy, right? He should have arranged his toys, but he didn't do like that. So what happened? Bruno got scared and he went to his grandpa and said, sorry grandpa, if you are doing something wrong, what you should go and ask immediately. Immediately you should ask sorry. Okay. So he went to his grandpa and asked, sorry grandpa, it was my mistake. Mummy told to arrange the toys, but I didn't keep away the toys. Sorry grandpa. Like that he apologized to his grandpa. Okay, and then grandpa said, it's okay Bruno, next time you don't do like this. Okay, grandpa also said, it's all right Bruno, next time you be careful. After playing, you have to arrange all your toys and keep it separately. Not only your grandma or grandpa children, even if your mom or dad or brother or sister, whoever it is, when they come inside, no, when they step on the toys, they will fall down. You yourself also will fall down. நீங்களே கீழே விழுந்துருவீங்க. ஓகேவா? So whenever you play with your toys, you have to put away your toys. Take a basket or a tub or a bag, whatever you get, take it and arrange the toys inside that and keep it in a corner. And then again when you take it out and play, again arrange it. Will you all do it from today? From today onwards, will you all do like that? Will you all arrange the toys? Yes or no? No what? Yeah, very good, Mokshita. After playing, you have to arrange everything. Okay. During the session, also, what Vanilla ma'am will tell you, keep your book aside. When you are bringing a material, also keep it aside.
Yes.
I used to tell you, right? So don't mess up with your home. Keep your home clean. Don't put your toys here and there. Otherwise, you yourself will fall down. நீங்களே கீழே விழுந்துருவீங்க. Okay, and then you will get hurt. சரியா இனிமேட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Be good children. Put away your toys as soon as you play. Okay, children. So, thanks for your cooperation. Did you all enjoy the story? நல்லா இருந்ததா story? Yeah, very good. You all enjoyed the story? Thank you. Thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, children. Bye, Kevin. Bye, Nakshatra. Bye, Kevin.